I would start the proceeding of the day by inviting His Eminence, Togla Rinpoche Skundun, on the stage to do the lighting of the holy lamp, to initiate this beautiful day, this beautiful occasion, which is once in a centenary, the birth centenary celebration of Most Venerable Dr. Acharya Buddharakkhita. May I request Rinpoche Skundunle to please come on the stage.
अभिनंदन है, स्वागत है, अभिनंदन है। फूलेरी जैसे सच्चे मन से, फूलेरी जैसे सच्चे मन से, स्वागत है, अभिनंदन है, देवाचन में स्वागत है।
आज हमारे परम पूज्य गुरुजी आचार्य बुद्ध रखीते की बर्थ सेंटेनरी सेलिब्रेशन यहाँ मना रहे हैं महाबोधि इंटरनेशनल मेडिटेशन सेंटर देवाचंद कैंपस में. Most Venerable Acharya Buddha Rakhita is the founder of the Mahabodhi Society in Bangalore, and he is one of the greatest yogi, greatest scholar and humanitarian spiritual master थे. आप सब जानते हैं कि Buddhism is one of the world great religion, and this great religion known as Buddhism was born in India, and from India it spread worldwide. But unfortunately, this great religion declined and disappeared from its birthplace, India, except few places in the Himalayan regions. Now, after a long time, a few great Buddhist masters, Most Venerable Acharya Buddha Rakhita, Dharma Rakhita, Sangha Rakshita, a galaxy of monks were appeared in India about 100 years back, and now the revival of Buddhism in its birthplace is going on. Once again, the wonderful teachings of Lord Buddha is coming back to India, and I am extremely happy to share with you all that our गुरु, हमारे जो परम पूज्य गुरु जी ने, उनका कंट्रीब्यूशन बहुत ही रहा है रिवाइवल ऑफ बुद्धिज़्म. आज उनकी दिशा में और उनकी मेहनत से, उनकी कोशिश से भारत के हर जगह में आपको फिर बुद्ध विहार देखने को मिलेंगे, कुछ बुद्धिस्ट मॉन्क्स मिलेंगे, और ख़ास करके आचार्य बुद्ध रखीता और लद्दाख का रिलेशन. पिछले बहुत साल से लद्दाख से हंड्रेड्स ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स लद्दाख से बेंगलोर में ले गया है. वहाँ पे उनको हाई क्लास एजुकेशन स्ट्रॉन्गली गाइडेड बाय बुद्धास्ट टीचिंग्स एजुकेशन दिया गया है. उनकी उसकी वजह से भी हमारा लद्दाख और आचार्य बुद्ध रखीता का जो रिलेशन है, very strong relation है. And His Holiness Kushok Bakula Rinpoche also was a very close and personal friends of Acharya Buddha Rakhita. तो दोनों हमेशा मिल के बातचीत करते थे अपने बच्चों को कैसे शिक्षा देना, खाली शिक्षा नहीं बल्कि आध्यात्मिक शिक्षा, जो बुद्धा का टीचिंग्स को कैसे आपने जीवन में लगाना, उसके बाद इसकी इन दिस फील्ड उन्होंने बहुत कंट्रीब्यूट किया है. और जैसे अभी आप जानते हैं महाबोधि इंटरनेशनल मेडिटेशन सेंटर देवाचंद में ह्यूज कैंपस है, more than 250 acres of land, and so many activities we have initiated, medical projects, we have hospitals, girl hostel, boys hostel, schools, old age home, nunnery, monastery, meditation center, and others important projects like world peace, like interreligious harmony program. All these things are because of my guru's blessings and guidance. We are able to do it, and we are truly grateful to our masters. And today we have a wonderful celebration. In the whole morning we had a puja, meditation, and expressing our profound gratitude to our spiritual masters. And this evening we have His Excellency the Ladakh Chozé Togdan Rinpoche as chief guest, and so many venerable monks and guests had come, and wonderful programs we had, remembering my guru and his teachings. And in his honors we have organized a number of programs like hospital Dana service at the SNM hospital, in our own Makaruna Charitable Hospital, and at the old age home of SOS Old Age Home and Mahabodhi Old Age Home. And we also today have a feeding, offering food to all these migrant laborers here. And today is, a very special day. Today is full moon day. All the full moon day is something special, significant. And today even much more meaningful and significant. Today's holy festival, this is called Holi Purnima, and today's great festival, the festival of colors, one of the most beautiful, one of the biggest festival of India. On this occasion, I also like to extend hearty greetings to all our people of our country for on this very happy Holi festival, holiday today. Yes, so wonderful programs we had, and we all hope together, pray, and soon be free from this coronavirus, and then again we can come together to pray together, meditate together, and help each other, and make Ladakh is truly a beautiful place, a heaven on earth. Thank you.